Hey, welcome back to Nick Vic Locks. Today, while I was on my way home from work, I had to stop off at the Dollar General, and I came across this padlock. I thought I'd pick it up, and back of it seemed somewhat interesting to me. Brass pin cylinder provides pick resistance and hundreds of key codes to prevent duplication. Because hundreds of key codes is so many key codes. But I also have this little pocket folding pick set thing that I got. You have a triple peak, a city rake, and a curve gentle reach type thing. I don't know, but the issue is really just trying to find something to tension it with as small as that keyway is. Better zoom in here. Because even my 25,000th tensioner, where'd it go? It's 50. Oh, there it is. You try to put this thing in here, it'll take up the entire keyway pretty much. So, and even with the bottom of the keyway, I mean, it's still pretty much taking up everything. Yeah, thought that was bold claim there on the back of the package. Yep. But thanks for watching, and see you next time.